Troubleshooting a Furrion RV stereo common issues. Experiencing issues with your Furrion RV stereo can be frustrating. Understanding common problems can help you troubleshoot effectively. Below are some frequent issues and their solutions. No sound. If your Furrion RV stereo has no sound, try these steps. Check the volume. Ensure the volume is not muted or too low. Speaker connections. Verify that the speakers are properly connected. Input source. Confirm the correct input source is selected on the stereo. If the issue persists, consult the manual or contact customer support. Display problems. A malfunctioning display can hinder the usability of your stereo. Here are some troubleshooting tips. Power cycle. Turn off the stereo, wait a few minutes, then turn it back on. Brightness settings. Adjust the brightness settings in the menu. Reset to factory settings. Sometimes a reset can resolve display issues. Still facing issues? The display might need professional repair. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe.